Eunice Kisembo, the Internal Affairs Ministry spokesperson, says the suspects were picked up from two factories in Mukono town, Mukono Industries, which is an oil refinery, and Brilliant Investments, which was licensed by Uganda Investment Authority to manufacture shoes. However, the officials found that at Brilliant Investments, the company was manufacturing concrete items instead of shoes.
Of these people who were purportedly experts in leather tanning and shoemaking were actually involved in making concrete products, markspan and bricks.
Many of those arrested did not have the papers allowing them to work in the country.
That most of them had entered Uganda as tourists and had been issued visitors passes as tourists. However, they ended up working without work permits. And then some of these visitors passes had also expired.
The Immigration Directorate recently increased work permit fees and announced new fines against illegal entrants.
We have established a fine of $30 per day for any person caught illegally present in Uganda, and we will immediately execute this fine against the offenders before we take any other action.
Kisembo says the action to be taken against these people will depend on the gravity of the offense. In some cases, the suspects will be advised to legalize their status, but those who refuse to apply for work permits or those whose work permits have been cancelled will be forced out of the country.
These persons will be removed by organized departure or removal from the country or deportation.
This latest swoop follows one the Directorate conducted mid-last month, where 13 Asian businessmen were rounded up in Masaka and Barara districts for lack of proper documents and illegal entry. Josephine Karunji, NTV Tonight.